ADT Live Light Review, a smarter, more visible layer of home security. ADT has introduced a new addition to its smart security lineup designed to improve both visibility and response during emergencies. Here's a concise overview of the ADT Live Light and its features. ADT Live Light is an illuminated wireless yard sign that integrates with the ADT Plus system. Unlike traditional signs, it lights up during alarms, improving visibility and deterring intruders. Live Light provides real-time alarm visibility by illuminating instantly during emergencies, helping responders identify the correct home quickly. It enhances deterrence by showing active monitoring, not just a warning sign. The device integrates wirelessly with ADT Plus, requiring minimal setup, and can be controlled via the mobile app. Its modern design combines familiar branding with smart functionality, making it a practical addition to connected security systems. Designed for ADT Plus, it works with security systems, monitoring services, and the app, ensuring synchronized alerts and smooth interaction with connected devices. Priced at $49.99, it requires professional installation and offers an affordable way to improve security visibility and response. Live Light adds outdoor visibility to the ADT Plus system, complementing smart devices, monitoring, and app-based controls. My Safety adds features like emergency alerts, timers, and direct communication with monitoring services through the ADT Plus app. It suits ADT users upgrading systems, homeowners seeking better visibility, and families wanting stronger integrated security solutions.
Go to GearBrain for more information.